Getting started with Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. Introduction. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered productivity tool that integrates with Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It provides real-time intelligent assistance to enhance creativity, productivity, and skills. Subscription plans and access requirements. Subscription plans. Ensure you have the necessary subscription plans to purchase Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. Purchase Copilot licenses through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center on the Purchase Services page, Microsoft Partners, or Microsoft Account team. Copilot licenses are available as an add-on to eligible base licenses, such as Microsoft 365 E5, E3, F1, F3, Office 365 E1, E3, E5, F3, Microsoft 365 Business Basic or Premium. Access requirements. Users must have one of the eligible base licenses mentioned above to be eligible for a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license. Access Copilot through Microsoft 365 apps, desktop applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Copilot will be available in web versions of the apps when a license is assigned. Copilot supports multiple languages, allowing users to interact with it in their preferred language. OneDrive Account. Have a OneDrive account for several features within Copilot for Microsoft 365, such as saving and sharing files. OneDrive integration enables users to access their files and collaborate with others seamlessly. Implementation process. Optimizing data and content for search. Manage settings using the Copilot page in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to optimize data and content for search. Ensure that relevant metadata, tags, and descriptions are added to files and content for better searchability. Update channels and apps. Ensure channels and apps are updated to the latest versions to prepare your organization for Copilot. Regular updates help maintain compatibility and ensure access to the latest features and improvements. Provision Copilot licenses. Assign Copilot licenses to users through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Provide clear instructions and training to users on how to access and utilize Copilot within their Microsoft 365 apps. Benefits of Microsoft Copilot. Enhances productivity by providing intelligent suggestions and automating tasks, saving users time and effort. Boosts creativity and efficiency by offering tailored recommendations based on individual needs and preferences. Supports multiple languages and integrates seamlessly with other Office 365 tools for enhanced functionality and a streamlined workflow. By following these steps and leveraging the benefits of Microsoft Copilot, users can effectively enhance their productivity, creativity, and collaboration within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.